and this can go on for years, right?
Yes, it can go on for years. You have a single point of failure if you just have one guy doing the script. So what happens if this guy leaves your company or happens something? You will lose all this know-how and you can get into a really messy situation, as I've already seen in the past.
So these scripts, as you said, someone writing the scripts or passing the scripts from one place to another, the information gets locked inside of him as a person and it lives with him. So it's not only just passing the data from one place to another, it's also the data is dependent on one another, so you have to pass it in a structured manner, right?
Yeah, that's correct.
And you also have to keep that job up for a lot of years, right?
Yes, that's correct.
This seems like a lot of work.
Yes, it is. Indeed. And it might not even be possible for a human to do it in, well, we already have made some migrations that go up to 10 gigabytes and thousands of tables that relate with themselves. So they were just so intertangled between, so they create like a web. So if you imagine a web, but with made by a chaotic spider that all lines cross and go around, so it's not those nicely
tight web, yeah.
Okay, that when they start to try to do this migration end by end, they start to despair, because when they start to pulling the thread to see which dependencies each table has, they start to running in so many circular dependencies that they cannot decide where to start whatsoever.